everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Yvonne and I'm here today to share with you a Amazon haul that I've had, a small one, and that I've purchased, just came in a few minutes ago, and I said I would share it with you guys to show you the types of products that I use while I give my classes and what the girls use. It's inexpensive and as good as any name brand in my opinion. So nobody's paid me to do this. It's just something that I thought maybe you would find of value for yourself. I buy this all on Amazon.ca, and it's as easy as 3 days, and I get it back, get it in. So to start off with, this is what I buy for the girls for their adhesive. It's by AdTech. It's crafter's tape, and it's permanent. And what I like about these, and I've tried different brands, trust me, along the few years, is that you can put the refills in it. And so when they use it up, and there's quite a few feet, I forget how many feet there is in each one, but there's quite a few feet in there. And they each have their own glue gun or glue tape gun. And it's as simple as that. It's as good as any other that I've ever purchased. And what I like about it is that I can rebuy the refills here. It's permanent and there's no mess to it at all. It's just like any other tape, and it's easy to use. And 8 refills, each refill is 8.75 yards. So it's 8 meters each refill. So 8 meters of this, or 8.75 yards, and all this is only $11.97. $11.97. That makes it a little bit more than $1 a piece. Cannot go wrong with that for that much yards in one tape. So this, I purchased 2 of these, and this should last me for quite a few months with the girls. Now, another thing that I've purchased, and this time here I purchased this, it's basically for me, but this is one time that I use only the brand name. I have bought the other non-brand name. I have not had any good luck with it. It either gets caught in my gun, it rolls back. I've even had some that were backwards. The tape was backwards. I don't quite understand it. But this is for my advanced tape glider, my pink tape gun, and I buy them 2 per package for $10.36. So that makes it about $5.18 a piece. And if you break it down to that, it's only about $2.50, $2.60, let's say $2.65 per roll. And in each roll you have 36 yards. So you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with this at all at $10.36 per piece. I buy them on Amazon. I have not found them any cheaper anywhere else. Now, another thing that I buy for the girls is these glue dots. These glue dots to me, are so essential because there are so many things that we do in our class that require glue dots. And there's 1,200 pieces in 12 rolls. So 1,200 pieces, that's a lot of glue dots. And I have 12 rolls here, and the girls will be able to use it quite comfortably for whatever they want. And they're all large dots, and they're very sticky. Very, very sticky. I've bought these before, and I really, really like them. I use them myself as well as I use them in my classes. So 12 rolls of this for $17.99. So that only makes it $1, maybe $1.50 or so a piece, maybe less, a little less. Can't go wrong with that, because if you were going to buy the glue dots, you would be paying $6+ for a package. Now, another thing that I've purchased is these 2-way tapes. Now, again, these are 6 rolls. They come in 6 rolls. You can buy them different quantities, but I bought the 6 rolls. And it has 25 meters in each roll. So 25 meters is a good, I don't know, 20 yards maybe, something like that. Don't quite quote me on it there because I'm not real good. But it is only a 1/4 inch long, but it is as good as any other 2-way tape that I have purchased in the past. And trust me, I've been using these for quite a while now, and I just love it. It rips. It's perfect. The girls love it, and they can use it quite literally, as much as they want, and I don't have to worry about wastage. So I get 6 rolls of these for $13 $29. So that's a little over $2 a roll. Can't go wrong with that amount of tape. I also purchased the quarter of an inch, half an inch, I'm sorry. And this one here ends up being $14.99 for 3 rolls. So that would be about $5, a little less obviously. $5 is $15, so $5 per roll. And again, you cannot go wrong with this here. So I've used that. That's going to last me for a full year of classes. Another thing that I purchased, and this was for using on temporary. There has been projects with the girls that I wanted to get them to stick something on temporarily, and I didn't have some temporary tape, so I did buy the Tombow one because I couldn't find anything else that pleased me. And it's I purchased 2 of them so the girls can share. And what it is, it's just a oops, temporary tape that should come off. Oh yeah, it just comes right off. So let's say you want to do something on your with your big shot or whatever, and you just need it to stick temporarily. You can just temporarily stick it there, and it's not going to move. And then you can cut it and so forth. So I've had the option of using it now because I didn't have one before, and it made life a little more difficult. So this has 39 feet in each roll, and each roll was I believe each roll was I can't find it right now. It seems to me they were like $6 a piece or something like that. So as you know, these little guys are a lot less expensive than the Tombow. Another thing that I purchased is my plates were starting to wobble, and it's the first time that I ordered these, because normally I will just get the Sizzix clear pads, but this should do the exact same thing as by Sizzix. And these pads here were very inexpensive, I found, considering. They were $12.61 for 2 pads, and I like the fact that they have a lip on it, so it's easy to go in. And there are 2, because I made the mistake of ordering and the clear one, and I only had 1. So I paid, I think it was $10, and I only had 1 plate. So here I paid 2 for $12.61, which to me is as nice as the clear ones, in my opinion. I mean, it really doesn't matter. Now, last but not least, what I purchased here are from Checkout Store brand. Now, these are personal for me to store my dies in. My dies, normally I usually put them away in these CD sleeves. And what happened is I end up having a package that is longer than the envelope. As you can tell, this is not the same. So I wanted to have, and this is even worse because these are taller than that. So I wanted something to hold everything in so my dies won't fall out and so forth. So I think this is going to do the trick for me. I can add the dies and the stamps coordinating, and I don't have to worry, because I have found I store them in this box here, and I store them by category. I have 8 boxes of these different ones, 8 baskets full of dies, and what I do is I add my stamps with the dies. So if I have dies, I end up putting it with this coordinating stamp, and then I have them all in categories for beach and so forth. Like for this, I had no more, so I can take a sleeve and just add them in. These are checkout bags, and they're 100 bags for $26.16, so that makes them about 25 cents a piece, 26 cents a piece, and it's going to be perfect for what I want it for. And you can see right straight through, and I can still see my tabs without a problem. So that's my haul for today. I just wanted to share with you why I buy the certain products and how effective, cost effective it is for me to give the girls good products to work with, and that they can be pleased and they can bring home their projects. So this is Iman. I'm going to sign up for now, but I will be back with more projects. And in the meantime, be happy. Life is too short. Catch you on the next time. Bye-bye.